So I'm gonna put this cheesecake in the trunk, but do y'all see this? It's a New York style cheesecake topped with brownie pieces, and this isn't brownie bits. It's like this humongous thing. Now the cheesecake on the bottom we'll all eat, but the kids are going to devour these brownie things. Sam's Club has got their holiday cakes on point. Good afternoon, everybody. It's December 1st and it's time to get in the Christmas spirit. So we've got our Christmas earrings on, a Christmas sweater on, and we're gonna have some peppermint mocha coffee creamer to help us keep going. This is about my 4th cup for today, but that'll be all right. We're gonna have an easy salmon dinner for tonight. I just picked up this seasoning mix from the farmer's market, so we're going to give it a try. And lots of presents to wrap. I've got my snack to help me get through. And we're going to go surprise the kids with some Christmas lights for this evening. So come along, and we hope you enjoy hanging out with us for today. Alright, so we got a lot more presents wrapped than I expected, and even some of our decorations put up. We're just using every little inch of space that we can. I know the kids are going to be excited, so I'm about to head to pick them up. We're going to eat our quick dinner and head out to the Christmas lights, and hopefully I'll get some good footage to share with y'all, but definitely ready for this Christmas season, and I hope y'all are too. We have some exciting things planned. So the salmon's all done. I just used that dill pack that we got at the farmer's market and put some little pats of butter on it. Looks yummy. I cut into it to make sure it was done. But yummy, yummy. We're going to have a quick dinner and go off to see the lights.